welcome back to the channel.
We just like literally decided to start filming this like 2 minutes ago, so.
If you're new, we're Scarlett and Seth. We live in a van with our 2 cats, Lula and Sasha. And today we're going on a hike. What you doing there, big guy?
This is the epitome of being self-employed.
Working on the trail?
We got 2 bars, so.
I feel like this is maybe a common question, so let us know if you want us to make a video, perhaps, on how we make money while we're on the road, because we always get that question, and it's not like the simplest answer in the world. We have a few different things that we're doing right now. But yeah, if you want to see more about that, let us know. About 1.5 miles in here. How you feeling, baby?
Still not uploaded.
Oh, she's still working.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Yeah, super psyched we did this hike.
We have traveled to 47 states now, and I have to say, the PNW, I think this might be home some point later down the line, but.
Washington's, it's been speaking to us as of late.
Yeah.
It really has.
We've never traveled this slow.
Yeah.
So I feel like traveling this slower now, we're able to really like see ourselves in a place.
Yeah, definitely. Somewhere out there is Vancouver Island, where we just were a couple weeks ago. He's probably looking for snacks.
Please give good hugs.
Do they? Ladies? Hey, ladies!
Oh, it's warm. Quick.
Oh. All right, let's check the numbers. 5.53 miles. That was a chill hike. Is this what it's come to?
I'm trying to get rid of my hiccups. Got some bagels, some dates. Oh.
Oh, you like dates?
Look at what we have here. Do you see that toe tuft?
That's that is nice. Thank you. She always provides the best toe tufts. I don't love this as a dumping ground for your things. This is a seating area. Please. What is this? Here you go.
Thank you. Oh my god, Lula's worst nightmare. It's okay, it's
Go,
okay.
go, go, go.
Oh no.
You guys like my trash bit down here? Nice, some shoes.
Crock pot. Look,
Crock pot shoes.
cook up a whole meal.
Oh, she's ready to drive. She's ready to go. I think the plan here is to head to Grocery Outlet. My favorite place in the world. Oh, watch that big pothole. Oh. Oh. And I'll be cooking while Scarlett goes to her big glow-in-the-dark yoga class. Cool yogi, huh?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Wow, yeah, this road is...
It's been a hot minute since we've done like any off-roading. Okay, I guess I'll close this.
Oh, please.
Oh, I also got this sweater at Grocery Outlet. Like, how cute is this with the little wide? $7 at Grocery Outlet. Oh, look at the snow.
Come on. Thank you. Thank you. That's nice.
Yeah.
We need to get gas ASAP as well. Ma'am, you are fully in the wrong side of the road, ma'am.
There's no one coming.
It's because of Trunkwellen. She takes the hand.
She does.
Wow, Trunkwellen, you're looking beautiful, baby.
She does take an arm.
She takes an arm, yeah.
Takes an arm.
You got your whole arm, like,
I know.
in and down.
I need this arm. I need it. I need it.
Oh, took it from her. Look at Mon. Mon's pushing over here.
That was a drawer.
That was a drawer. I guess that'll be me, huh? Oh, perfect. That's nice. That's Scarlett. Oh, there it is. It's beautiful. Ma'am? Are you just maxing and relaxing over here, or what? You just living right now? That is nice. That is a lifestyle.
Ladies, it's not time yet. It's not. We have to clean the van first, okay?
Let me grab these clothes. Chuckles. Oh.
Gotta get worse before it can get better. Excuse me.
Oh, wow. I'm going to shower tonight, which means I have to move all the crap out of our shower right now. Sasha, don't eat that. Please, baby.
She's eating it. She's eating
Please
it.
don't eat that, baby. Don't eat that. Please. We set our shower up with just this hose. So that's been nice so far. And honestly, I don't think personally I've noticed any issues with that. Scarlett, have you noticed any issues with that? Like, would you change that for a shower head?
No.
Right? FYI, I know that this is a bidet sprayer. We got like so many comments telling us that in our tour, and we know. Thank you. I'm actually gonna open this now. Get a little airflow in here. Oh, that's it right there. We're playing around. So we've kind of estimated, and I think we could shower each with about, hey, Sasha, please. I think you could shower with less than half a gallon in this shower pretty easily. Is it the most luxurious thing in the world? Probably not. Like, is it a steam room? No, we live in a van, so I feel like it's pretty luxurious for that. So that's it. That's the whole shower right there. It's really one of those deals where you spray off, you soap off, and then you spray off again. Also, I'll show you what the shower looks like when it's not full of crap, in case you haven't seen our van tour. But it's pretty nice, actually, and it's huge, by the way. So I'm like 6'2", and I can stand very comfortably in the open skylight. One of the things that you have to think about with a shower is the shower pan itself actually creates a bit of height, so you don't get quite as much standing height in here as you would in the rest of the van. Here's a little look at the shower right here. And if you're wondering, there's a little seamless drain right back in that corner that drains straight to our gray tank. It's about 4 feet deep by 28 inches wide, which I actually measured off of my own shoulders. So pretty cool to be able to design the whole thing kind of like around our own dimensions that we wanted to. Is there a reason? Is there a reason that this window cover was just taken down? Let's go. Let's get dinner. One more note on the shower. While I feed these ladies, while I feed these very rambunctious ladies. It's totally worth having. It's perfect, it's beautiful, I love it so much. So yeah, it's nice to shower off. Oh, you like that, huh? You ladies are excited. You're so cute. So cute. Okay. Back up. Look at how polite Lula is. Look at how polite she is. And then Sasha is just all over me while I'm doing this. Here you go. Come on. All right, ladies. Let's get this dinner ripping. On the menu tonight, we have these barbecue tofu sandwiches with some coleslaw. We got pickles on the side for me. Scarlett doesn't like pickles. We've got a side of roasted up asparagus that I am keeping warm in this little jar until Scarlett gets back from her class. Also, if you're interested in making these yourself, check the description box down below because that's where I'm going to put the recipe. Just like that, 6:51, Scarlett's class gets done at 7. We got dinner all ready and made. We got the ladies well fed back here. Those are some well fed ladies right there. Alright, we're eating dinner and watching Gilmore Girls.
Laws, people.
Probably can't see them, but they gave out glow sticks. Oh. Ooh, can you see those? Anyways, got little glow bracelets. I sweated so much and just took a bird bath with these.
Onto something of even greater importance.
First video back in the US. Bit of a bittersweet return here. We had a very nice hike today, so I'm happy we could do that and kind of make this impromptu video. We weren't really planning to make a video today, but it's so pretty on the hike that we decided to pull the camera out, and I'm glad we did. Subscribe, like the video, leave us a comment down below what your favorite part was, and we'll see you next week on Friday. Thanks for watching. Double trouble. If you like that, subscribe.